one by my right, which is this, is labeled A. You can see this labeled A, this labeled B. Now, the A is a solution of the clouded oil, that is the used oil, with sulfuric acid plus heat to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, plus triethanol amine. But it is dormant. It's not as reactive. It's just there. I don't know. It may be reacting, but it's in a very micro scale. It's not very visible. Then B is a mixture of. This is B. B is a mixture of aquaregia, and the clouded. That is the used oil, plus few drops of triethanol amine. And then this is the visible reaction you can see going on. The bubble is just much, it's just reacting and reacting, and it's forming bubbles at the top. And it's a beautiful reaction, seriously. So you can see how it's just reacting, forming bubbles, taking the bubbles up. So I'll leave the reactions to continue like this until when it has stopped. The test tube is almost filled. I'm going to pour it in another, or cut it off a little.